Hey guys, it's Joanna here. If you're in the gym and you're wondering what ab exercises can I do, I'm going to share with you some really simple yet effective core exercises which will get you a rock solid core. And trust me, you will feel the burn. I'll perform each exercise for 15 to 20 repetitions for a total of 3 sets. The rest time between each set is 30 to 60 seconds long. I like to start by working on the entire core. So the first workout is ab wheel rollout. This little piece of equipment is a killer ab workout. Place your knees together on the floor. Hold the ab roller firmly directly underneath your shoulders. Keeping your arms and back straight throughout the entire workout, roll the wheel forward in a controlled manner, stretching as far as you can go while engaging your core to keep you balanced. Then contract your core to slowly roll back to the starting position. Do not rush the workout, okay? Go slow and keep your core contracted throughout. Next, full extension. This is another core workout I do regularly. Begin by lying on your back with your arms extended overhead and legs extended out. I'm using a 5 kilo weight to add more intensity. As you breathe out, curl up, bringing your knees to the chest. As you lift your shoulders off the floor, bring the plate towards your ankles. Then breathe in, extend your arms and legs straight out back into starting position. And repeat. Don't use momentum to propel yourself up. Engage your core and control the movements of your legs and also arms. Beginners, you can start without any weights. Inclined plank rock. This next workout is about small movement, but your core will be on fire. So get into a plank position on a fitness ball, elbows in line with your shoulders. Keep your abs contracted and back flat. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your feet. Then slowly shift your weight forward and back by moving your forearm in a small, subtle motion. Keep your body in a straight line without arching your lower back. Again, don't rush the workout. It's about control and feeling the contraction on your core. Seated knee tucks, one final workout which targets the upper and lower abs. Sit on a bench with your legs stretched out, arms holding onto the sides, and your upper body leaning back slightly. Keeping your chest up and back flat throughout the workout, bring your knees towards your chest, crunching and engaging your entire core, especially the upper and lower abs. Then return to the starting position and repeat. If you don't have a bench, you can always do this workout on the mat. Now let's move on and target more on the obliques. Another basic but extremely effective workout is Russian twist. Start on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor and hold a plate in both hands. Keeping your back flat, chest up, lean back slightly and lift the feet a few inches off the floor. Then slowly twist your torso to the left and to the right without moving your legs or hunching. You will feel your obliques contracting. The movement comes from your torso rotating, not from your arms swinging. Beginners, you can choose to place both feet on the ground. Plank hip dip. One of my favorite oblique workouts has to be plank hip dip. Start in a basic plank position. Then slowly lower and dip the right hip close to the floor, and then to the left side. Engage your core, keeping your back flat and straight. Don't lift your hips too high or arch your lower back. And I like to end my core workout by targeting the lower abs, which can be challenging. Captain's chair leg raise. If you see this machine in the gym, use it. It is a great core workout. Begin with your back pressed against the backrest and forearms resting on the upper supports with your hands gripping the handles. Keeping your legs straight and together, suck your belly in, engage your core and lift your legs directly in front of you, parallel to the floor. Squeeze and hold for 1 count. Lower them down in a controlled manner and repeat. This exercise targets especially the lower abs and also hip flexors. If you're struggling to keep your legs straight, you can always start by bending your knees slightly and then progress. So these are 7 of my favorite core exercises which I like to do in the gym to give me a strong and rock solid core. What are your favorite core exercises? Let me know in the comments below. You might find yourself struggling to begin with, but that's okay. Stop when you need to, but get back into the workout and finish it. Start without any weights if you need to, and as you progress, challenge yourself by adding some intensity. So do these exercises at least 2 to 3 times weekly, and you can combine it with my other total body workouts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more workout videos, recipes, and also fitness tips. And do check out the videos right here as well. All the best!